Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to teach you on how you can remove Passkey from your Microsoft account. So in order to do that, you need to go to Microsoft.com. So in order to do that, you need to go to Microsoft.com and log into your specific account. Once you're logged in, click on your profile picture icon in the top right corner of your screen and select View Account option. Now, from the left-hand side of the screen, select Security, that is between devices, and Privacy. Then after, over your mouse to Account Security and select Manage How I Sign In, which is highlighted in blue color. You can also view your sign-in activity from here. Then after, you need to scroll down. And if you've added Passkey in your account, you'll see the Passkey option right here. And once you click on it, you'll get the option to remove. Go ahead and select remove and you'll be done. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.